Today's topic is giant brake test and ACP test to be conducted by LP and guard. Occasions: giant brake test and ACP test are to be conducted by guard and motorman or LP before commencement of first trip of the rake every day. Purpose: to check EP brake working, BP continuity and auto brake working with guard. After JBT, LP and guard should prepare a certificate. BPC for rake is issued by shed staff. At every crew changing point, air continuity test to be conducted. Communication between LP and guard is by bell codes only. Apply parking brakes. Release auto and EP brakes. Motorman. Preparation. Motorman, after ensuring MR is 7 kg per centimeter square, BP is 5 kg per centimeter square and BC is 0, and blowing of EP supply lamp, to give 5 bells to commence JBT. Guard, after ensuring MR is 7 kg, BP is 5 kg per centimeter square and BC is 0, to acknowledge by giving 5 bells. Motorman to apply partial EP and ensure BC pressure rises to 0.7 kg per centimeter square. Guard, after ensuring 0.7 kg per centimeter square in BC, shall acknowledge with 1 bell. Motorman to apply full EP and ensure BC pressure rises to 1.6 kg per centimeter square. Guard, after ensuring 1.6 kg per centimeter square in BC gauge, shall acknowledge with 1 bell. Motorman to release EP and ensure BC becomes 0. Guard, after ensuring BC gauge 0 and shall acknowledge with 1 bell. Now EP test completed. BP continuity test. Guard to operate guard emergency brake valve to on position and observe BP dropping. Motorman, on observing dropping of BP, shall apply emergency brake and ensure BP drops to 0 and BC rises to 1.6 kg per centimeter square. Guard, on observing BP drop to 0, guard shall release guard emergency brake valve. Motorman, after waiting 10 seconds to release emergency brake, ensure BP rises to 5 kg per centimeter square and BC comes to 0. Guard, to ensure BP is 5 kg per centimeter square and BC is 0 and then acknowledge with 1 bell. Now BP continuity is completed. Auto brake test. Motorman keep EP supply switch in off position and apply auto brake and keep BCH on lap position only after BP drops to 3.5 kg per centimeter square and BC rises to 1.5 kg per centimeter square. Guard, after ensuring BP 3.5 kg per centimeter square and BC 1.5 kg per centimeter square, shall acknowledge with 1 bell. Conclusion. Motorman to release auto brake and ensure BP is 5 kg per centimeter square, BC is 0 and give 5 bells for completion of giant brake test. Guard to acknowledge the same with 5 bells. During giant brake test, the guard and motorman use 1 pause 1 bell code to draw each other's attention in case of any lapses. ACP test. This test to be conducted first trip of the day along with JBT. Guard key should be in on position. 5 amps MCB ACP should be in on position in control panel. 5 amps MCB of guard supply should be in on position in control panel. Guard and loco pilot has to pull ACP chain in 2 different coaches and ensure ACP bell is ringing in all MCs. Then reset ACP. To test bell working, press ACP test switch in motor coach. Today we learned about joint brake test and ACP test. Thank you. Thank you all.